Oh, your half, that's right. Everybody, please welcome the incredible Mr. Ivor Bundell to the stage to entertain you right now. Come on!
Here's the Carter family song, Little Black Train. There's a little black train a-comin', gotta set your business right. There's a little black train a-comin', we'll be here tonight. Go tell that ballroom lady, all dressed in her wealthy pride. Jet Star train is coming, prepare to take a ride. That sent us a Messiah, message from on high. You better set your house in order, and you must surely die. He turned to the wall and weeping, you see him here in tears. He got his business fixed, all right, God spared him 15 years. There's a little black train a-comin', gotta get your business right. There's a little black train a-comin', it may be here tonight. Go tell the ballroom lady, that dressed in a wealthy pride. Jet Star train is coming, prepare to take a ride. We see that train with engine, one small magic car. Valuable thoughts and wicked deeds will stop at the judgment bar. The poor young man in darkness cared not for the gospel light. Suddenly he hears the whistle blow on the little black train ride. Have mercy on me, Lord, please come and set me right. Before he got his business fixed, the train rolled in that night. There's a little black train a-comin', get your business right. There's a little black train a-comin', it may be here tonight. Go tell the ballroom lady, all dressed in her worldly pride. Jet Star train is a-comin', prepare to take a ride. Gotta get your business right. There's a little black train a-comin', maybe here tonight. Go tell that ballroom lady, all dressed in a wealthy pride. Jet Star train is a-comin', maybe here tonight. Oh, Jet Star train is a-comin', prepare to take a ride. Jet Star train is a-comin', prepare to take a ride. Thank you.